Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. It's countdown to Ghost Monday. For some of us who do not know what Ghost Monday is, it's actually a sit-at-home order made by the indigenous people of Biafra, otherwise known as Ipob, which was in commemoration, as in collaboration, in honor, and in agreement that Nnamdi Kanu should be released with immediate effect from the Nigerian DSS custody. Well, as we speak right now, a lot of things have been happening at the background. The government officials are getting set, and of course, some hours ago, Governor David Umahi of Ebonyi State, through his aide, actually spoke through saying that they're not in support of the sit-at-home order, and they're encouraging all Ebonians who have anything to do to go about their ways, that there will be adequate security. Well, Ohanes Ndibo has also spoken concerning the sit-at-home order, saying that it is not favorable to the economy of the Ndibos. And of course, the DG of VON has also spoken, also saying that in sitting at home, a lot of things may pass the southeastern region by over that singular action. And it's not just one Monday, it's going to be every Monday of the week, every Monday of the month, in as much as Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. As we speak, there are stringent measures, stringent repercussions that have been put in place for the Anambrans if they move about this. Before we go into the news proper, to find out what it is that's in stock for Anambrans who go against this, like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. But the Anambra State government has threatened not to pay August salary to any worker who abstains from work on Monday in obedience to IPOB's sit-at-home directive. This is contained in a public announcement by Head of Service Barry Harry Udo on Sunday. The Udo directed commissioners and permanent secretaries to monitor the situation and report accordingly. The announcement reads, the government of Anambra State has directed that all workers in the state must attend to their duties on Monday, the 9th of August, 2021, as failure to do so will result in severe sanctions, including loss of salary for the month of August. All honorable commissioners and permanent secretaries are to monitor and report compliance. Please kindly give this information the widest publicity in your establishment. Now, this is not a good one, coming from the fact that these guys are now between the devil and the deep blue sea. Now, you may not understand what I'm saying, but I'm going to break it down very quickly so that you can understand the page and the pains and the situation the Anambra people, civil servants, are actually going through. Now, you sit at home, you lose your August salary. You know, one of the best rewards for work is actually that salary, that payday. You know, you still at home and you didn't go to just, okay, I'm now going to work because I don't know what is going on Monday. You started for just that one Monday. You don't get paid for all your efforts. Okay, and I said, okay, let me go out, since I do not want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my pay. And I also I want to be pensionable. At least I'm getting close to when I'm going to collect my gratuity and pensions. Don't let me do anything that will thwart the effort or make me lose all my years of meritorious service. And you say, let me go out. And the next thing, you see people fighting and killing, and you, God forbid, anything happens, you lose your life that have no duplicate. What then would now be your fate? Now, this is a clear situation where the civil servants are actually at a crossroads. For businessmen, nobody's going to compel them. Or we could go the way of the Imolites, where they shut down and locked up. They refused to open shop in consolation, in solidarity with Nnamdi Kanu's hearing that was supposed to have taken place on the 26th of October, which 2021, which never took place eventually. It was adjourned. Those guys in solidarity decided to stay back. Some said they were being forced simply because they were not sure of the security situation as at that day. So they didn't come out of some of those like international market or Pibeka, Newi, main market and the rest. And for Imo State, those who didn't go to their shops, as soon as they resumed, the very next day, the main gate, the market gate, the main market, timber main market was under lock and key. Nobody was even giving them hearing. They said since you have decided to take off day on a working day, and the government have also decided to do their thing. So it's a situation, even for the civil servants, it's a bit different. For the businessmen, they can decide to stay back and not go to work. And the repetition of what happened in Imo State may likely happen again, but probably this time around in different states of the southeastern region. So if, please, I understand the plight of the government. I also understand the plight of the IPOB, but this one is a case of two elephants fighting and the grass is suffering. What do you want the poor civil servant to do? You tell them if you don't come out to forfeit your salary. And here IPOB say them if you come out, whatever your eyes see you take. Then what do you want them to do right now? They want to obey IPOB, but their salary is at stake. Okay, let them obey their government, governor of the day, or the government of the day. So at least they show their pension, their gratuity when they die, or when they grow old, rather, or when they retire. But then the IPOB is warning them, you must sit at home in commiseration to what our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, have been doing, so that they will see that. So you now find out that there is actually the people who will suffer this the most, unfortunately, but it's the bitter truth, is actually the indigenes. Left for IPOB, they are going to follow it up to the latter. And left for the government of the day, they will also want to prove to IPOB and those who are saying sit at home order that they are not above them. They can't be having parallel government. They are the government recognized by law. So they are the one that is going to make instructions and it should be obeyed, not IPOB. So you now find out that it is now a power tussle. Who will the people yield to? Now you now see that it's actually the people that will feel the pain the most, because if the people yield to IPOB, that means the government of the day will need to put punitive measures that will cause pains and tears on the people, so that next time IPOB gives such instruction, they will hastily disobey it. Now, if they hastily disobey such instruction, what may be the punitive measures that's going to be drawn or put by IPOB to ensure that when next they also give the instruction, it will be hastily obeyed or followed to the latter. Now, you now find out that they're actually at a crossroads. But in all, if security is guaranteed, why not? I actually do not envy the Anambra people right now. I do not envy them, because right now, their job, their loss, their life. All in all, they have to make their decisions tomorrow. And now, the head of service will be monitoring each attendance. They should also look at the security situations too, so that innocent persons they are not caught in between this crossfire. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's move to that.